Hello, this is Mark from Upstate Surface Preparation in Rochester, New York. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the RPB Nova 3 helmet and the RPB C40 climate control device. In the near future, we'll go through the features of this helmet and have somebody put it on and see how it fits and all that good stuff. So I'd like to thank Tim Poor at Sesco and Judy from Sesco for helping me out with this purchase. Great customer service, quick turnaround. Ordered this on a Tuesday and it was on my doorstep this morning, which is the Friday, 3 days later. So I hope everyone's having a good day. Take care. This is Mark from Upstate Surface Preparation and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.